Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Standard Cut. Instead of shutting out cryptocurrencies, the government must ensure smart regulations. The government's statement about bringing in a law on cryptocurrencies is welcome, as it could put an end to the existing ambiguity over the legality of these currencies in India. The vagueness exists now, withstanding the fact that the government has from time to time suggested that it does not consider them to be legal tender. It has not, however, been able to channel this understandable disapproval arising out of the fact that such currencies are highly volatile, used for illicit internet transactions, and wholly outside the ambit of the state. Into any sort of regulation in 2018, the RBI did not send a circular to banks directing them not to provide services for those trading in cryptocurrencies. But this was eventually set aside by the Supreme Court, which found that the circular to be disproportionate, given that you know bruh meme so it was given that the virtual currencies and the central bank had consistently maintained that virtual currencies were not banned in India. Also, the RBI could not show that entities that it regulated its regulate its regulated were adversely impacted by exchanges dealing in virtual currencies. The Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur, who on Tuesday confirmed in the Rajya Sabha that a bill will be in offing, highlighted the complexity in regulation. He said regulatory bodies like RBI and SCBI also don't have legal framework to directly regulate cryptocurrencies, as they are neither currencies nor assets or securities or commodities issued by identifiable user. The legal ambivalence has not, however, been able to prevent cryptocurrencies from having a growing clientele in India. Their attraction may only grow now, given that the most well known of them as also the most valuable. Bitcoin has hit new peaks in price, and it gained influential followers such as Tesla founder Elon Musk. Who and what will the bill seek to do? Those associated with this niche but growing ecosystem will be worried about the question most. Cryptocurrency exchanges, which have sprung up, are reportedly lobbying with the government to make sure that these currencies are regulated rather than banned outright. Smart regulation is preferable, as a ban on something that is based on a technology of distributed ledger cannot be implemented for all practical purposes, even in China, where the cryptocurrencies have been banned and the internet is controlled. Trading in cryptocurrencies have been low but not non-existent, as an India Interministerial Committee found out. Despite this and the fact that most countries studied it and also option for regulation, this company has batted an official digital currency as well as for the promotion of the underlying blockchain technology. The government must resist the idea of ban and push for smart regulation. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.